Hello, I received your question here. Go ahead and complete some work. I'll walk through. Find the possible value or values of theta in interval 0 to 360 degrees with a given trig function value. So we want cosine of theta equals square root of 3 over 2. So what they want, this section's all about reference angle. So they want you to find this mark here. Prime means theta prime, that means reference angle. So the cosine of theta prime equals square root of 3 over 2. So what's theta prime? Well, hopefully you'll recognize from the previous section, the cosine of an angle, square root of 3 over 2, then the angle's 30 degrees. That would be in section 1.3. So theta prime's 30 degrees. Also in the previous section is about the sines. What I have here is a mnemonic device to help remember the signs. All students take calculus. Just look at the first letters, A, S, T, and C. All your trig functions are positive in quadrant 1. Going counterclockwise, quadrant 2, the sine and its reciprocal are positive. Quadrant 3, the tangent and its reciprocal are positive. And finally, quadrant 4, the cosine and its reciprocal are positive. So we're looking for the, where it's positive. So they're all positive in first quadrant, and the cosine, its reciprocal, are positive in the fourth quadrant. So our answers we're looking for in the first and the fourth quadrant. Well, the reference angle is 30 degrees. So first of all, I draw the reference angle 30 degrees in quadrant 1, and in quadrant 1, the reference angle and the angle are equal. So one answer is 30 degrees. The other answer is in quadrant 4, and I draw its picture. Here's a reference angle in quadrant 4 of 30 degrees. That's theta prime. Well, we want theta, which would be here, all the way around 360. We got to take away the 30, and so 330 degrees would be theta. Hope this helps.